What if your dropshipping business started with a single question? Meet Doba Pilot, your AI agent for dropshipping. Skip the tool hopping. Just ask and let Doba Pilot take you from setup to launch. Start from scratch or connect your existing store. With AI-guided actions, getting set up feels faster and more intuitive. Need a direction? Ask Market Scout. And Doba Pilot turns market trends, buyer demand, and top-performing products into clear insight you can act on. Tell Doba Pilot what you want to sell, and it brings the right products into focus, faster, and with less guesswork. When you're ready, select your products and move from sourcing to listing in one seamless workflow. Have a question? Just ask. Doba Pilot delivers instant answers on platform rules, policies, and how-to guidance right when you need them. From your first ask to a live store, Doba Pilot helps you build, scout, source, list, and stay supported in one connected flow. The future of dropshipping starts by asking. Try Doba Pilot.